Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Ali Jamal here. And while you charge batteries for other things that you're gonna review, it's always a blessing to have the K124 and fly it around. I love flying it around, simply love flying it around in a scaled manner. No aerobatics, no 3D, nothing, just pure flight. Time to fly it around. Okay, just stay here and fly it around. Which one was my flight mode? Okay, it's right there. The power of the helicopter. I was just flying Valkyrie CP, Super CP, a 3D helicopter. I can tell you that helicopter is super nice and stable. But hey, it didn't have this much head speed and this much power. Feels really solid to fly with this much power. Pure flight, scaled flight. The front LED is really bright. Man, this bright LED is killing my eyes. What an absolute joy to fly this thing in a scaled manner only. There's this little shrub. I have to watch out for this one. It is thick enough to crash this helicopter. Almost hit it. Eventually, if I keep flying it here, I will hit it. But hey, the amount of controls it has, eh? It's like super duper fun to fly it around like this. Let me turn on the dual rates. Hold on. Where are the dual rates? These are the dual rates. Yeah, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Now we're talking. More controls. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Now we have an Agile EC124. Is it EC140? I completely forgot the number. It's K124 from YX. Yes, I did cut that shrub right there. The blades are powerful enough. Sorry, shrub. I'm really sorry. I didn't plan to do that. I'm feeling the head speed is going down. So basically we are running out of battery. But hey, absolutely a fun helicopter to fly around. Can we cut this shrub on purpose? I will actually crash it. So let's not do it. Let's not do it on purpose. Let's just see the amount of control you have on this helicopter and the way you can fly it around in this agile manners. Can I fly it in this ditch? Let's see. I was trying to go under my legs actually, but I'm afraid I'll hit my batteries probably. Yes, I will hit my batteries. Let's not do this stupidity. I'm still recovering from my injuries that I sustained on a high-speed fall from a twin-motor beast electric skateboard. So let's not give ourselves more injuries, especially at very, very significant parts. Alright, time to land. Let's do a graceful landing. Scale landing, and right here. That's too far. Too far. Here is fine. And hit the flight switch. Flight mode. Beautiful flight. I simply love this helicopter. When it comes for a scale flying, just sit somewhere, this kind of quiet, nice, cool weather, just sit somewhere and fly, relax. This is better than listening to music. Trust me. Thank you very much, XK, for releasing such a brilliant little RC helicopter.